In a world filled with subscription services, mastering the art of maximizing free trials can be a game changer for savvy individuals. The key lies in strategic planning and a keen eye for detail. Start by creating a calendar specifically for free trials. Note down the start and end dates alongside the cancellation deadline to avoid any unexpected charges. Next, explore the full scope of the service during the trial period. Dive deep into all features, test various aspects, and truly experience what it offers. Take this time to compare it with competitors to understand its unique value proposition. Additionally, ensure to set a reminder before the trial ends. This simple step can prevent accidental renewals and charges. If you find the service valuable but pricey, consider reaching out to customer service. Express your interest, but mention the cost as a barrier. Companies often have special offers or discounts available for hesitant customers. Lastly, if you decide not to continue, don't forget to cancel promptly. Remember, the goal is to benefit from the trial, not accumulate unnecessary expenses. By following these steps, you can turn free trials into valuable opportunities to explore new services effectively.